The more advanced version of artificial intelligence, just as expected, is on its way. GPT-5. Sam Altman, CEO of OpenAI, said after seeing GPT-5's answer to a difficult question, "I felt useless compared to AI." This means the next model might be so intelligent that it could make people feel incapable. That really reflects the future of AI. GPT-5, the next model from OpenAI, is set to be released in early August 2025. The special point about this version is it's expected to combine reasoning, structured reasoning, and multimodal capabilities, multimedia input-output, in a single unified model, without the need to switch between different execution versions. What changes can we expect in GPT-5? 1. Much larger context window and long-term memory. GPT-5 will likely support context windows of millions of tokens, meaning it can handle extremely long conversations or documents without forgetting. This feature is essential for writing files, long documentation, or professional support tasks. 2. Smarter reasoning and reduced hallucinations. Using technologies like O3 reasoning, GPT-5 will be capable of multi-step decision-making, reducing illogical errors and providing more accurate answers. The developers describe this model as a unification of reasoning, image, audio, and text processing. 3. Better support for code and programming. GPT-5 is not just about generating text. It aims to outperform GPT-4 and Claude in coding, debugging, fixing legacy code, and writing complex functions. This is a crucial capability for developers. 4. Smarter multimodal capabilities. GPT-5 will advance in understanding images, natural speech, and potentially video. Unlike GPT-4o, which had visual and audio input, GPT-5 will handle these modalities more deeply and intelligently, even enabling real-time analysis and response. Improved user experience and easier accessibility. With GPT-5, OpenAI aims to create a seamless experience. No more switching between reasoning and multimedia models. This version brings nearly everything into one model. Mini and nano versions will also be released for the API, allowing users with low-resource devices to benefit from its power. Believe it, this capability still has a lot to offer beneath the surface layer of AI. Now, it's not all perfect. Security and ethical concerns still remain. The model has been tested in areas like biosecurity, raising worries that sensitive information might leak or be misused. High usage costs. Evidence suggests GPT-5 will be more expensive and might only be available to premium users. Why should we care about it? Because GPT-5 is set to define the future of AI, from how we interact with machines to its use in business, programming, education, and design. If you want to be a pro in the AI space, GPT-5 needs to be part of your plan. Currently, early access is only available through ChatGPT Plus accounts or enterprise versions. It might open to the public later on. What do you think will be GPT-5's most revolutionary feature? Powerful memory, advanced reasoning, smart coding, or multimodal interaction? Or maybe you're worried that this model could get out of control. Drop your thoughts in the comments so we can talk more about it.